Let's start. On Actions menu, click Turn Editing On. Scroll down to the assignment icon, click Edit, and then Edit Settings. Scroll down to Grade Label, select a grade type, and enter the maximum grade. On the grading method, select Rubric. Scroll down and click Save and Display. So you will choose from Define a new grading form or Create a new grading form from a template. So in this tutorial, we're going to create a new grading form. Create a rubric title. You can also put description for your rubric. In this part, we're going to copy and paste our rubric. Copy and paste the criteria. And assign points for each level. To add a criterion, just click Add Criterion, then copy the rest of the rubric. If done, click Save Rubric and make it ready. So your rubric is ready. Let us see. Click Grade. So you can now put grade on your student's output. Just click it on the right side, the assign points for each criterion. Then write a feedback. Then click Save and Show Next Output.